diamonds on my neck, got diamonds on my records. Since 16, I'm coming down right Alexus. How you gon' neglect this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, we ain't got some lie, Craig.
Hey True Gang, welcome back to another video. So if you're watching this, my patio is already together and I can't wait to show y'all how I did the transformation. It looks so freaking good. I'm just laying on the floor, y'all, just in awe. Like, I'm so happy that I finally did this and I can't wait to show y'all, so stay tuned. Oh, there we go.
Some of them get large, and some of them stay very tight and compact. And if you look closely, you'll see this gorgeous bloom that is slightly, I wouldn't say variegated, but marble. You can see this multiple branching, and that's how that gives you an indication of just how dense these things become compact. This level of flower power. You want to start with a good soil. And we're all about organic, so I like this. So a little bit of organic fertilizer around me is all you need. The other thing is water. They do like water. They don't want to sit as water. I mean, salmon, orange, even hot red. So this is just one of many colors. Compact versions of this large family of beautiful flowering annuals.
Today called the Sun Patience. Been around for a number of years now, and it's really unique and distinctive. When you hear the word impatiens, you think about those wonderful bedding plants for the shade. You can see you can buy them in various sizes. Here's a 6 pack right here.
Bedding impatiens, smaller flower. Well, these are actually a type of New Guinea impatient, so they're going to have a much larger flower, usually about 3 times the size of your standard bedding impatient. And Taylor will show you a close-up. And so that is great for your long-nosed pollinators, okay? So your hummingbird, your long-tongued bees, all those types of things. So that's really good, and a lot of deep nectar. Not a lot of pollen, so you might not see as many bees foraging around them, but a really good amount of nectar. So that's really great.
Zany bar, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, off the juice, Cody got me tripping. Cut the coupe, walk the roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Addy boys got some 60s in my bag. Lips sealed like pillow talking on no rag. In my earlobe got 2 carats VVS. Got a penthouse near Rodeo off of stress. All this money when I grew up I had nothing. Filled with backstabbing, my whole life is disgusting.
Your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to compose. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention, it was all for you. So send me your location and ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gather my attention, it was all for you. So send me your location and ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Send me your location and ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention, it was all for you. So send me your location and ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. The vibrations, I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention, it was all for you. So send me your location and ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you.
Hey y'all, so the sun is setting. I'm pretty much done, but I still need a few more things. So I need a plant to go in the black planter, and then I need a succulent to go in the like rope thing that I hung around my light, and something else. Oh, I need to buy Dylan like specific like outside toys, and I may buy him some bowls from Target. They have like these, y'all know his bowls that he has now. They have some in that same like style, but in a stone / beige color, which would be cute out here. And like I like for him to have water out here, so I may just get like one bowl for him to have like water, so I don't have to like keep moving his bowl back and forth if he just wants to chill out here. And then I have my fire pit. Y'all know my little tabletop fire pit that I used in my holiday vlog when I had the girls night in. I need to bring that out here, but I don't know where to put it. It'll probably end up being on the ground because my terrarium is sitting on the table and it kind of takes up like a lot of space. So yeah, I'll probably just put it on the ground. But besides that, I'm pretty much done. I'm happy. If y'all watched my last vlog, I was back and forth in and out of stores trying to figure out an idea. It's kind of hard for me sometimes to visualize like my ideas and what I want. Like I be knowing what I want, but in the store it'd be like they only got certain things, I'd be having to make do. But after all that back and forth, it came together. After I finish getting all the like finalized details, everything else, I'll be sure to like insert clips and then insert like daytime clips, nighttime clips. But yeah, I hope that y'all have enjoyed this video so much. Check out my other apartment videos in this series if y'all are interested in like seeing how I decorated the rest of my apartment. But this will be the last one, y'all. I'm still on the fence about doing a furnished home tour. It's really just because of like safety reasons, because I want to like show y'all everything. Even with this patio, like I can't show y'all the view right now because it's dead giveaway to where I live. So I don't know if y'all get it, it'll be because I moved and I don't live here anymore. But if y'all don't get it, I probably still live here. So stay tuned, and we'll just see. But yeah, make sure that you're subscribed if you're interested in seeing any of my other videos, and hit that bell to be notified when I post. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Let's go.